video, I will explain you how to add custom font to Squarespace. So the first step is to upload your font file to Squarespace. Bear in mind that you can only upload font files with the .otf, TFF or WOFF extension to Squarespace. To do this, open the Squarespace dashboard and select your site. Then click Website and then scroll down to click Website Tools and lastly Custom CSS. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Manage Custom Files. You can then upload your font file of choice. Now the second step is to add the CSS code. So next, copy and paste the following text into the box. So you have here this code. Replace font name with the name you want to use to refer to the font in Squarespace. This doesn't have to be the actual name of the custom font you downloaded. However, I recommend using it to keep things simple. Now, next you need to add the URL of the custom font in between the brackets. The easiest way to do this is to click between the brackets and choose your font from the Manage Custom Files menu. This will automatically add the URL into your code. And the third step is to add your custom font. Now the final step is to tell Squarespace where you want to use your custom font. For example, if you want to make it the default body text or use it as a heading, you need to add the following code into the CSS box. Now, as you can see right here, so if you want, you can pause the video to copy all this code. And as you can see, for font name, use the name of the font you added in the previous step. For where you want to use the font, use one of the following. As you can see, heading 1, heading 2, paragraph. So here's an example of how it can look like. So basically that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.